Hi friends, welcome all of you to our channel Grow for Glow. I am your Anand Kumar. Today I come up with very interesting message. So before that, please do subscribe and come for the video. Okay dear friends, here there is one magic word we are going to discuss about that. So that word, magic word, it gives you both happiness and success. So what is it? Are you eager to know that? Yeah, just follow. Here, if you want to be a success or if you want to be happiest, you have to change, you have to follow certain principles, rules. For that all the philosophical, even the psychological says, it depends on that one word. So what it is? That is called attitude. Yeah, dear friends, the attitude makes a man to be a success and also to be the happiness. Now let us see that how this attitude makes a person to be happiest one. You see, first one, a good attitude, a positive attitude bring a good habits, isn't it? These good habits makes you a healthy living styles. So finally, the healthy living styles make you a happiest life. So look here, to get the happiest life, the baseline of the happiest and ever moment is the positive attitude. Now in the second way, when you come to that other side of the positive attitude, you'll see that a positive attitude makes you a positive thinker. The positive thinking makes you a constructive thinker. This constructive thinking makes you a creative one. So, to get a creative, when you are in such a creative presence, the success behind you in all the times. So here the two kinds of the positive attitude. One is, two sides of this kinds is one is brings happiness and another one brings success. Now let us see that our questions. So how to cultivate, how to promote our positive attitude? Now let us go for some tips. Number one, first of all, you have to love yourself. Even how many of us in this race, we have become the love of ourselves? No, because there are so many obstacles, so many blocks in our mind. Number one, about our self-esteem. If you have the low self-esteem, how can you love yourself? So because of that, there are so many reasons that block you. Number one, about your low self-esteem. Number two, you are giving priority to others' opinion. So just neglect these two things, then you can love yourselves. Second one, you have to stop judging, because under the sun, everybody has their own rights to have their beliefs, thoughts, their rituals, and also about their values. It may be the moral values, it may be the financial values. So it is a career growth, career values. So whatever it may be, then you have to respect their privacy and also they respect their values. At the same time, you don't try to judge within your parameters, because your environment is totally different from others. So when you are doing this, then your positive attitude is spontaneously we can enhance your things. The number three, do what you love what you do. This is the third principle we can see that. So even if you go for the music or dance or about the creative art, drama, cultures, whatever you do that, just to do as your 100% love and 100% commitment. It will brings you the positive attitude and it will brings you such a successful, such a wonderful moment. It will give you, it will brings you ultimate, you can harvest the happiness of the particular style. Number four, discover yourself. So almost all the failures, you can see that they are knowingly or unknowingly, they are not at all discovered about that. They are not aware of their problems. Even they are totally aware of the problems. Is it accepted? but they're not unaware about their talents, their ability, their whatever their capabilities. So everything what they're hidden in their mind, hidden in their self, they fail to recognize, they fail to aware of this. So in turn it will become totally their attitudes, their self-esteem, everything is getting low. Here the 4 points we can consume that. Number 1, you have to love yourself. Number 2, stop judging others. Number 3, do what you like and love what you do. Number 4, discover yourselves. Then you can easily cultivate from happiness. Above all, you have to think and keep it in your mind ever. That is called everything happens is for good reason. Just when you go through these situations, then finally you can get it a very good positive attitude. Here, there is a small story. I think you might have known already. Let us come to that. There was a restaurant. Then everybody is they're enjoying with their food. There is a cockroach just flew from somewhere and just sat on the one lady's shoulder. She's trembling voice, then she shouted, and also she's jumping here and there without, she makes that cockroach makes her too much of disturbance. And she shouted at the same time, she's trying to throw it away the cockroach from there. Then after some time the cockroach fly away from another lady. There also, she also did the same scenario. And finally what happened? At last the cockroach is going to the waiter's shoulder. Then on the way. So she was trying to grab that. Then he stood confidently and just you observe the cockroach behavior. Then slowly he grabbed the cockroach and throw it out of the restaurant. Just you see that the same scenario, the same event. The two of them were shouted that make the disturbance a lot. The waiter, the last one, is not at all disturbing anytime, anyway. Just he slowly grabbed the cockroach and throw it out, and seemingly there is not at all disturbing anyway. Then he is finally he is very peace and happy. You see that this is a lesson. What we have to learn here: the circumstances, the event will not disturb you anymore. So you have to disturb yourself within your habits, your attitude. It only makes you disturbance a lot. So when you are trying to shout with your father or shout with your boss or shout with the officials, so it's not mean they are not disturbing you. Then you are disturbed by their behavior, isn't it? So you have to overcome such a disturbance. You should make it cultivate. You have to, instead of to react that particular circumstances, particular situations, you have to respond to situations. So if you respond instead of react, then you will never disturbed by anymore and anybody's and any places and any situations. So it will brings you a great positive attitude. It will become a successful man and you are the happiest man in the world.